Welcome, this is Samuel. It is day 10 of our big journey. So we have spent some time in Salt Lake City, a very organized city, big roads. We went to the Temple Square, we went to see the choir rehearsal, and we sat in this big theater, 21,000 seats, so that was fantastic. Really enjoyed our time there. Then we had a quick bite in the parking lot in our 23 Escape. So that was good as well. And then we were heading out towards the place where we are now. This is called West Wendover. It's about 200 kilometers away from Salt Lake City. And on the way we saw the Salt Lake itself. We stopped and we basically touched the salt, and it was very bright, super hot as well. So now we have settled here. We are getting ready for another traveling day tomorrow. Two things I learned today. One is quarters are big here, so when you do your laundry you got lots and lots of quarters. So for our Canadian friends, when you go to the States and you want to do your laundry, bring some cash. You can change it into quarters and then get your clothes washed and dried. And then also in this area here we noticed that there's this tiny little spikes that go right through your shoes, especially if you have like flip-flops, and they can poke you right in your foot. So that's another thing we learned. Excited about tomorrow. Again, that's a traveling day, and then soon we will be in Reno, in Nevada, Reno, and we look forward to seeing many of you there.